Talon sleep. So I'm gonna try to modify Talon using Talon. Talon is a speech recognition engine which can be used to write, and well, not just write, it can be used to bind vocal commands to basically anything, and it has its own configuration files and special language, and I am now trying to modify the Python configuration file, which is specifically for Python programming, to add a keyword which is call, which will have the purpose of adding left parentheses and then a right parentheses, and just go on from there. So just calling a function without any arguments. So I'm not really an expert in configuring Talon yet, but I've been using it for a while, so this is just a demonstration to say that it is, you know, pretty usable. And just another thing it might be useful to know: Talon sleep. I use sxhkd daemon, which is a sxhkd if you want to download it. It's for Linux, and it can be used to bind key combinations to special commands. And so I basically, when I say something weird in the Talon alphabet, and the Talon alphabet is just like words that start with the letter of the alphabet to trigger that specific letter. So for instance, if I say sun, it will trigger S. It will basically press the S key on my keyboard. If I say look, it will press L. If I say whale, it will press W. So these things. And I'm using the Talon alphabet in conjunction with sxhkd daemon to open the configuration in a quick way, because I was always opening the Talon configuration because I like to edit Talon as I use it. And to do that in a quick way, I have the binding with sxhkd daemon, which is Talon sleep, which is the super key followed by the the super key followed by the C key for configuration, followed by the T key for Talon. So if I press super CT, the Talon directory will open in a console. And if I also say random stuff which looks like a key binding, it's because it is a key binding, which uses sxhkd daemon. So I'm using sxhkd daemon, Talon, and the modified version of the XFCE window desktop manager, so that there are bindings to do special things with Windows in a quick way. And then I'm using Vim, and so there are Vim bindings. They make things a lot quicker, and I guess that's all I need to explain, really. So yeah, now let's add the parentheses to Talon. So let's add the call command to Talon. Let's see. Talon wake. Super cap tip. Look. To jury. Look. 3 jury. Look. Jury look. Control plex. Red edit enter. Super space. Slash phrase call. Scratch twice. Phrase call. Enter. Colon quench enter. Crunch. Look. Keep getting this wrong. Control plex. Ship near. Red edit enter. Slash phrase call. Enter. There you go. We have this cobble thing. No idea what it is. Whoops. Urge. Escape urge. Near. Near. Talon sleep. So there's no like call thing already there, so I'm going to be inspired by the args command, which I know is there, which basically opens parentheses, but it doesn't go over. So let me demonstrate. Sit, Talon wake. Sit phrase random. Down score phrase function. Args. Phrase hello. Comma space word there, comma. Space each tip cap dot dot dot. Escape urge. Urge. Talon sleep. So as you can see, args opens the parentheses, but then it goes inside. It doesn't go over, which I want to do. So let's search for args. Slash Talon wake slash Talon wake slash phrase args scratch air red gust sun enter colon quench enter jury red edit enter slash tab delete air red gust delete twice gust sun enter. Ooh. Colon quench enter. Talon sleep. So this is going to be an opportunity to demonstrate some shell commands using Talon, because I'm going to search inside of the whole Talon directory using the find Linux command, because apparently it's not in the Python files. Harp, Talon wake, harp twice, ship sun, phrase find space, scratch space, delete, scratch, gust red each pit, space, dash red, space, phrase args scratch air red gust sun space dot enter. Parents, delete, Talon sleep. So apparently it's inside these symbols that Talon text. I guess that's where we need to go. And then there's a GDB thing, but I don't care about that yet. So let's Talon wake, cap done space dot dot enter. Whoops, cap done space scratch cap done space dot dot enter. Phrase exit enter. Five jury look. Ship gust look. Red edit enter. Slash air red gust sun delete twice, gust, sun, enter. There it is. Zip, zip. Talon sleep. So it seems appropriate to add it here because, as you can see, here it says if I encounter, at line 31 where I am right now, if I encounter the voice command inside parens or arcs, then the text paren, open paren, close paren will be inserted, and then the left key will be pressed. Talon sleep. Thank you, Talon. And so that's what will happen. So I will now just write a call voice command, which will just write the parentheses without going left. All right. Command history. Command history. Command history. Command history. Man, I hate this command. Command history. Command history. All right, it's done. I don't know where it went, but oh, I need the Talon wake. Command history. There it is.
Stick deft under init arc for yourself, right click.
Escape, done, done, crunch. Ship odd, phrase call. Colon, enter, phrase insert. Oh, wait, let's just copy it. Yeah. Done, done, do, jury. Crunch, yank, yank, crunch, ship, bit. Colon, will, enter. Odd, call. And there you go. Escape, urge. Colon, will, quench. Enter. Terminate. Super 1. Super tab. Scratch. Done, each, fine, space, tip, sun. Call, colon, escape, Talon sleep. So there, I just, and that's how that's how I use it, that's how I modify by using it. I'm still kind of slow, and sometimes I get things wrong, and there's room for improvement, but I haven't used it much, and it's very easy to get accustomed to it, so I recommend using Talon. And if someone is interested in like my setup for using all of these key bindings, which certainly help with going faster. Well, first of all, the file manager you've seen, it's called Ranger. It's a command line file manager with Vim-like key bindings, so it's very good because it's like Vim. You can do things in a fast way with just like single keys. And yeah, if like anyone is interested in the rest of my setup, the YouTube channel lukesmith or distrotube, they are very like super user-oriented channels which tell you how to like do everything with key bindings, which usually is not very useful. But if you need to go faster because you're using your voice, like in this case, it might be like one of those rare cases in which it is very useful. I'm not saying it is not useful, it might be like kind of useful for normal people, but if you can't use your hands for some reasons, and you have to use these technologies, which tend to be a bit slower, but they're also very fast. But if you get accustomed to them, all of this like fixation with key bindings becomes a lot more useful. So yeah, have a nice day.